Yeah, as soon as I get unbusy, I'll come over to see your car. I'll come right down. Oh, you guys straighten that ramp up?
And we'll run everybody to stay off the hot top out there while they're riding around doing their thing. That's going to happen here pretty quick. Like I said, make sure to get your trunks and hoods open and everything. We'll be starting here before long. We'll be out there looking at your vehicles. So, and we're glad you've all made it. We've got 60 plus cars, I know. I don't know what we've got around that, so make sure, and if you haven't signed up, make sure you do so. Get up here and sign up. Get the registration so you can be on the top 25 in no particular order.
Good afternoon. Right away, first off, we really want to thank Classified Car Club. They have really taken us on the past couple of years, especially Mike Rigg. They did a car show at the mall the last couple of years, and then we've done this for a couple of years. They've made very wonderful donations to us. I want to let you all know that 100% of donations the Classified gives to us goes to the Children's Hospital in St. Louis. And thanks to them, last year we were able to double what we had sent. So it's great. It's for the kids. One of our mottos is we ride so kids can walk. So think about that when you make donations. There's kids and families out there that struggle a lot. And see us at the parades throughout the year. Give us a wave. We love when people wave at us and yell at us. And once again, we do it for the kids. We're going to do a small performance here. We're short some riders. Due to all the rain, most of them are in the field.
12:30, they're going to do the next one. Up now. Gotta get the to stay running. Ansar Cycle Patrol. Terry Leffler and Bob Bennett out here giving you a taste of what they do. They've got around 20 bikes, but keeping those old bikes running is getting to be a chore. Good practice for them. First time out for the year.
Trying everything they can to get back to the next day.
Give them a hand out there while they're out here putting on a show for you. Terry Leffler, Bob Bennett.